Good morning, everybody. Hey guys, I got my green hat, my green shirt, green plaid jacket on today. It is St. Paddy's Day. So happy St. Paddy's Day to you all, and guess what? It's also my dad's birthday. Yep, he's 69 today. 69 years young. So, hope you all wish him a happy birthday. He'll be watching. I already text messaged him on Facebook and let him know, so you guys want to see some marching chickens? Watch this. I'm gonna open that door. I'm gonna march out of there. All right. Come on, girls. Ladies. They all come. They're marching. They're marching real fast. Woo. Girls are hungry, eh? Better get them some food. All right. All right. Hi, ladies, gentlemen. What you doing in there? Gonna lay an egg? Doing something, guys. A little stressed out or something. I'm not too sure why. Oh, did I? Oh, another thing of food here. Oh no. What do I do with that thing? It's top of the morning, guys. You might get an egg later. Let's see. Some more feed. Alright guys, well, I'm sending out a bunch of mail today. I'm gonna chase her out of there. I'm gonna use that door in a wall. Can't get that. There we go. Let's get her out of there. She must be hungry. She's pisser than a cricket. Alright. Come on, girl. In you go. Get in there. Oh, there you go. In you go. Gotta get her outside. Ask me, guys. Chicken's Irish. Lovely. All right, girl. You gotta come outside. Come on. Oh, look, guys. Look what we got. Wow. That's an Easter egg chicken. That's awesome. That's a green one. Right on. Oh no, I lied. It's a white egg. We can make it green. That is awesome, guys. Yesterday there was an egg. It was broken on the ground. Now, got our first egg in a long time. Alright guys, hope you're having an awesome day. This is a shout out for my dad once again. Happy birthday, Dad. 69 years old today. You're young. 69 years young. And you got eggs. That's awesome. So, hope you guys are all having an awesome St. Paddy's Day. Make sure you're dressed in your greens. And we'll see you later, guys. Look forward to your comments. Subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one, guys. Ciao for now.